My name is Isabella Pastor. I chose industrial automation because I wanted to do a bachelor's that was in the tech world and also high in demand so that I could support financially my master's, which is going to be aerospace engineering. I heard about the Bachelor's of Science of Industrial Automation program through CTech, the Career Technical Educational Center. My experience so far has been really good. I've done all sorts of things to the dynamic between my teachers and how they're so hands-on and willing to help and willing to put over time just to make sure that I get what I'm doing, that I understand what it is that I'm trying to program and how to talk to the machines and how to talk to the systems and the networking and everything. It's just been very helpful. I've just, like I said, just been absorbing so much. I do think more females should be in this field, not only for my comfort and company, so there could be more of us, but also because I feel like women are seen as mediators, and we need more of those in the industry because women are thinkers, they are observers. We need more women in general in every position that has to do with the tech world. I don't think women need any technical skills, any experience, any hands-on experience whatsoever to just join, because I didn't have that in the beginning. In the very beginning, I had zero experience. I didn't know what I was getting into. I was just trying something out just out of pure curiosity, and I ended up here. And I've absorbed so much, I've learned so much, and I fell in love with the process of learning. Advice I would give to women trying to go into the engineering world would be to just go for it. I feel like it's intimidating at first, but it's really so worth it. We all have a place in this industry.